Making the way to the ring at a combined weight of 335 pounds from Houston, Texas. Big Fat Bear Boy and LocoMotive.
That's why we doing it on South Side, the South Side, yeah, the South Side, the South Side. Everybody do the South Side, the South Side, yeah, the South Side, the South Side. Raise your hands to do the South Side, the South Side, yeah, the South Side, the South Side. Shock and rock and do the South Side, the South Side, yeah, the South Side, the South Side. It's time to throwing up the juice and giving niggas stab. You know the South Side acting bad on the snap. We throwing up the juice and giving niggas stab. You know the South Side acting bad on the snap. Alright, we throwing up the juice and giving niggas stab. You know the South Side acting bad on the slab. I'm throwing up the juice and giving niggas stab. You know the South Side acting bad on the slab. I woke up early.
Ladies and gentlemen, and their opponent, at a weight of 100 pounds, from the dark abyss, the monk, Crome. His partner, from the shadows of the dark abyss, at a weight of 133 pounds, Night Killer.
We approve, many thoughts we arranging, pollens everywhere, that's the reason that we're changing. Flourishing, the wise in the new time, think alive, nobody survives. You got your hatchet, throw it in the sky, slide pedals appear right before your eyes. Don't get attached to your head like a neck, cause I disconnect, I know there's an effect. I wanna start the book's worst nightmare, always better go, don't say something tonight. Be the guy who thinking this thing, didn't nobody care. Didn't see this shit away, now they all scared. But not forgotten, they don't get either riding with the forces on their faces as a symbol of the downtrodden. Dark notice return, the reason is the word. The season for the shepherd is now really the herd. This is the returning, everything you tried to bury in between a patch of roses makes the loaded fly, loaded fly. Winds of deadly ages makes the blood drip down the pages. In between the dying roses makes the loaded fly, loaded fly. Flourishing underneath. Always be off in my bed, always fucking with they feelings, bitch. I fuck you with my head. I don't love you and you don't love me. Some motherfucker done said I got paper, never spend it. I ain't never seen the night that I felt the need to pay a bitch unless she was a dyke. Licking pussy left and right, bringing bitches by my place. Jack me off and suck my dick and let me skeet off in her. Blackberry started to buzzing, it's her husband asking questions, wondering where she at, cause he just called her cousin mad and fussing. I'm laughing cause I'm fucking slapping ass and titty sucking, pinching nipples, pulling that thumb in her ass and she ain't stunting. Quick to say that you a hustler, but realistically you a bitch to me, sweet as pie, banana custard. Wanna cry when niggas touch you, wanna hide cause niggas buster. Got the copies of them statements you was making, motherfucker. All you fake ass niggas get the fuck out my before I make it rain and shower you with copper from the AK-47. That's gonna be my tool, make me clack and I start acting like a motherfucking fool. You know me, I've been down since 85, selling dime for dime, doubling up my paper every time. I lived the
fuck it, I'm gon' go on and coach a team. Play golf and smoke my weed, poker every other day. Do some groups and keep these haters out my motherfucking. But this shit ain't go the way I planned. I'm caught off in a cross. And if I leave, they won't respect the South. Cause niggas soft, talking about what's in they mouth. Talking about they cars and house, and that ain't what we all about. We out here working in the drought. About that paper, about that cabbage. Out here hustling till we grab it. Pimp a pimp, you silly rabbit. Use a bun without a tablet. So your intellect connectors come and show the outer space. Catching bricks and weed at 8. So get the fuck up out my face.
Stay on your toes there, night killer.